I'm so sorry I'm late. Traffic was crazy.
Do this.
I'm gonna look so dumb.
This is a Murisa.
Look, Wonder, how do you do this?
No, like this, you just have to swing it a bit, just like a hanger, bro. This is a cliff hanger, fam.
Am I doing it right?
Come on in.
This hurts.
That's it, fam.
It like hurts the back of my neck. Cow in Texas would totally sell. I really need to ship one of these to my bike park, bro.
Different than what?
A different type of horn. Like the horn shape is different.
Do you know what we call horn here?
What do you call it here?
When someone says someone has a different type of horn.
What does that mean?
I'll get back to you. Stay tuned.
Raining harder now. The rain.
The rain is a blessing. We literally brought the blessing to the land. There's a free shelter here. You know what I mean? For the cool kids, for the Gen Zs, this is for you.
What's up? What's going on?
Show my hands.
What are you saying?
That's shoe me. I'm saying we need to move a little bit.
Rangirra ta wekera bukongo bazukarara ndarakayina nabora tumana nyewe rangirra waza tatraga nabukongo bazunkarara ndarakayina nabora tukano burwana bukatayira bambanza to na tukamwe bazakaranguza ngo barera tatraga no kabyo hirya ngo nabire twartakazo kakoro munka itona rukuta bintro gakonga gatsarge shongo ko kabyo ngo maruro ko tumana kabyo gamba twatayira ho rwenyagana amabandara tayira tuyashana kagorogoro kabutambaza mo isakagonja kayikarasa marshongo naragogora boko mukatimbre igomba narakamsa ngo no zirifite pura maguru na rwakagiye kavukuru katuko kayikarira namwe nakatende kartaba batwanduka ukigambo ni George wanje sabita katubuti mufungarije kura mugimba kaburengera nabunengure wibuhinga kagenda nagire ko mukuru wanje akabatanga tangira twabohita mukagonye ngo isha kumureba kamatungu nyabushobe nahurana n'umbuze kerero